Hello all, welcome back. So today we'll solve some problem about ratios and this appeared in CAT 2025. The question goes like this. The ratio of number of students in the morning shift and afternoon shift of a school are 13 is to 9 and 21 students moved from morning shift to afternoon shift and then the ratio became 19 is to 14 and next some new students have joined the class and the new students ratio is in the form of 3 is to 8 and once these new students have joined the class and the final ratio of the total people present in morning and afternoon became 5 is to 4. Now they are asking us to find the total number of new students who have joined. So let's start. So let's call the number of students in the morning and afternoon as m by a, and this will give us 13 by 19. Let's multiply with some constant k on both the sides, on top and numerator and denominator, and let's assume this will give us morning students equal to 13k and afternoon students equal to 9k. And this is step 1, and in the step 2 some students from morning moved to afternoon, that is like 21 students moved from morning to afternoon, so that will give us 13k minus 21, and they joined in the afternoon, that is nothing but 9k plus 21. These 21 students joined here, and this is nothing but the ratio equals to 19 is to 14, which was given. So let's solve this piece first. So this will give us, simplifying this, 14 into 13k minus 21 equal to 19 into 9k plus 21. So upon simplification, this will give me 182k minus, let's keep this as it is, the terms looks like we're gonna cancel, and this will give us 171k plus 21 into 19. So this was, let's bring the k terms left side, and this will give us 182 minus 171 is 11k equal to, let's take 21 common, thus will give us 19 plus 14, it is nothing but 21 into 33. So that implies k equal to, let's cancel this 11 and 3, k equal to 63. Now we have k equal to 63, which means we know the number of students in the morning and afternoon. We can just simply substitute here and we'll be able to get, but leave it as it is for now, what they are asking. So they said some more new students joined who are in the ratio of 3 is to 8. So let's assume the total number of new students as 11k, 11n. I just assumed 11n, just to make the calculations easier. So you can assume any number, but so that since I wanted the calculations to be simpler, I just assumed 11n. This 11n is derived nothing but you just need to add both of them. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11n. Similarly, that's what we have did in other examples as well, which we discussed previously. So this 11n is nothing but the total number of students, and these students have joined in the ratio of 3 is to 8 in morning and afternoon. So the new morning and afternoon ratio will be morning and afternoon, let it be m dash by a dash, that equal to, we have 13k minus 21 plus 3n and 9k plus 21 plus, we have 8n. So why did we write 3n and 8n? Because that's how they have joined, 3n is to 8n ratio, and the total is 11n. That is what we are assuming. So once we know the answer to n, then we can call, we can identify the number of new students that have joined. and this ratio is equal to 5 by 4 that they have given to us. Now let's simplify this. So this will give us 4 into 13k minus 21 plus 3n and 5k 5 into let me remove this 5 into, let's bring this term here, that is 9k plus 21 plus 8n. Now let's substitute. We have n and k's here, but we already know what is the value of k. We'll substitute in the next step. So this will give us 52k minus 4 into 21 plus 12n equal to 45k plus 5 into 21 plus 40n. Now let's bring the n terms to the one side and rest of the terms on the other side. So let's put this n to the right hand side and get these other terms to the left hand side. So that will give us 52 minus 45 k. This will give us 4 plus 5 into 21 and 40n minus 12n. So that is nothing but this will give us 28n equal to, we have 7k minus 9 into 21. So upon simplification this will give us n equal to 9. So the total number of new students that are required is equal to 11 into n, that is 11 into 9, that is nothing but 99. So that is option 4.